Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at something very different. Pretty much, I couldn't even find not one other picture of this item on the internet, and I got it for an awesome deal, guys. Basically $35, and it's quite the piece. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. What is this? This is not even a car. Okay, yeah, I got you guys on that. I know I usually make videos and reviews about cars, diecast models, but this time this is gonna be more about just an actual wooden crystal case, guys. All right, and so here we have it in the box. This is made by Autoart, which you guys know is one of the best brands, or was up until recently, until they started making composite material models. But nonetheless, like I said, guys, this might be something probably long ago sold out, because I could not find not one of these, not even just for informational while I was waiting to receive mine. It's just like, I really feel like I scored up on this one. If you guys got this exact same thing also, leave me a comment, let me know, because like I said, I don't know if I'm also the only one with this one here. I'm pretty sure I'm not. I mean, of course, because Autoart is just not gonna make one thing of this case, just quantity of just one of one. They're not just gonna do that with a crystal wooden base, display case. But nonetheless, guys, you guys are taking a look right now at just some of the text that it's on the actual packaging. You got Autoart branding all over it. You got just stuff talking about the suitable age for this item. Even though it's just a display case, I mean, I don't think there's any swallowing small parts on a crystal clear wooden base display case. But still, they gotta have those age information on their box of the wooden base. And so now we're taking a look at the box of the actual glass crystal case. Here we have the dimensions of the case. It's basically the length of 35 centimeters, width of 25 centimeters. You guys see it all there. Pretty spacious. I mean, you could probably display two models kind of tightly, but I do believe this is just mainly made to display kind of like a holy grail item. And I do have a couple of those. So when you begin to lift this crystal case off the box, you do see that it's kind of wrapped like this. You have like this kind of like that kind of material there. I don't know what that's called. Maybe foam paper. I don't know what that's called. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. And then inside, then you have that plastic bag with like a piece of cardboard cut like that. And I'm guessing that's just to keep the case nicely. And then you also have like this tape all on four corners that I'm guessing is to prevent some kind of damage or nick or chipping to the glass during shipping. All right, guys, so here we got the case now out of the box. And so here we have a nice metric tape so that you guys can take a look at the actual measurements of it. Yeah, you guys see it's 14 inches long. And then on this side we got basically about 10 inches or so. All right, guys, so now that we went ahead and unboxed the actual crystal clear case, now it's time for probably the most jaw-dropping feature of this super awesome and rare display case, which I've yet to find another one off on the internet, because I actually would like to have more than two at this point because it's so awesome. Although I highly doubt that I'm gonna score the same type of deal at 35 bucks, but I mean, who knows. So yeah, guys, so here we got the actual wooden base. All right, guys, so now we got the bottom, and on the bottom the material pretty much feels like suede. So it just feels like very soft, very luxuriously feeling to the touch suede material at the bottom of the base. Quite nice. And then here we have the actual base itself. It does come with this kind of like stickerish, but not really sticker like, although I don't even know how it's sticking to the base. But yeah, it's almost like this paper that you peel back and it's almost like, I guess, to keep the base super neat with no scratches or anything. And like I said, there's no sticker adhesive on the other side of this brown paper on here, this protective paper. But regardless of that, somehow it sticks to the base, and we just simply gotta peel it back little by little. It literally, you know, takes no effort to peel back. It's not like you're gonna see white, sticker residue or anything like that, like you see when you pull some stickers. But yeah, very nice, very neatly, and just very well, thought out. And now you guys are now witnessing the actual finish of the base. And guys, I gotta tell you, even on the video, it doesn't do justice of how nice this looks. It pretty much looks like it's made out of marble or something. I don't really know, but yeah, props to Autoart for this. It's so nice and shiny, and just that wood type of look to it. I mean, it's just phenomenal item. I was very thrilled when I actually won the auction for this item at $35. Because like I said, I mean, I kind of needed a case for one of my rare items. The item I'm going to put in here, you guys are about to see it for a minute. But yeah, guys, here we have the actual wooden base in its full glory. And now that we got that done, now we go ahead and take a look. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the whole thing put together. And you guys see it there. Notice how glass-like it looks. It doesn't look like your traditional acrylic display case. Now we're going to go ahead and put a Holy Grail item in there, and that Holy Grail item I'm gonna put in there is an item that I've had for a very long time. It's a super mega rare item. It is a Holy Grail according to most Autoart collecting standards, and that is the 1/18 scale Lamborghini Murcielago 40th anniversary Artemis Green edition. You guys see it right there. I've had this model for a very long time, and haven't really showed it on the channel much. I've kept it really boxed, and so now, even though it came with its own display case, that one, that display case had a crack and some issues, so I decided to just not even display it in that case. I decided to basically hook this puppy up with this awesome display case, because this type of item, you can just store this anywhere, man. This is way too rare and way too much of a Holy Grail. If you guys don't believe me, do look up 40th anniversary edition 1/18 scale Autoart Lamborghini Murcielago. You guys will see that this item is in fact quite the novelty and quite the rarity. So now here we have it, guys, inside of the case, and just wow, very roomy. Looks just fabulous on there, but I feel it still needs an extra pizzazz. So I thought of, why don't I now throw in there some nice type of showcase diorama accessories. And that's what I got right here, guys. I got my showstopper, you know what I'm saying, little, car show, little, I don't know what that's called, stand, I guess. Yeah, and then also too, I have my little VIP kind of metal stands with the metal chain, and then I have a tiny little sign right there that says look but don't touch, guys, and yeah, guys, I believe that this whole setup right here is the perfect way for me to display this nice luxury item. And so yeah, guys, as you guys can see, it looks so awesome in this super reflective marble like wooden base. And just, it completely blew my mind, guys, that this whole thing pretty much just cost me $35. I mean, $35, guys, for this, probably the best display case I've had. I mean, I'm not gonna compare apples and oranges. I'm not gonna compare this case to a whole Detolf, because obviously I can store way more cars on a Detolf. However, that Detolf is not made by Autoart. It's made by IKEA. All right, guys. So yeah, guys, I don't have a lot of Autoart display cases. So when I got this one, I was just like, wow, dude, this one tops them all. And so here you go, guys. Now I'm going to give you guys a little bit of footage of the car, you know what I'm saying, in the actual base from a few angles, so you guys can appreciate, just basically the whole look of this. Now we have the car now with the glass case on top. Now compare it to the Detolf here. Quite awesome. Even the clarity of the one made by Crystal, the one made by Autoart, crystal material, It just looks super shiny. I mean, looks at how shiny that looks. It looks just awesome. Like, I swear, this doesn't look like it. Just acrylic just does not compare. And so yeah, guys, I know you probably guys are not gonna believe me too much on that, so I figure I will bring out the acrylic case, you know what I'm saying, and show you guys the difference. Now let's take a look at a difference between regular acrylic case, you know what I'm saying. Look at how kind of foggy it is. Look at how like almost dim it looks. And then just look at how the crystal case looks. It's just so clean looking. You know, I don't even know what's going on here. Like I said, I'm not an expert on see-through glass-like materials. But yeah, guys, if I had to pick from glass or crystal, even though I still don't know whether it's the same thing or not, I will always lean towards crystal. I mean, look at this. Quite awesome. Here we got a view from the top, guys. Also some still shots. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do make sure to slap a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you turn notifications on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. And with that one, I'm outie, guys. Peace.